Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So children, will continue with the next exercise now. So the same chapter, introduction to graphs. So here there's nothing to explain actually. I'll start with the graphs, the exercise itself. Okay, I'll explain the problems in the exercise so you can understand better. Now come to exercise 5.2. So this says plot the following points on the graph sheet. Verify if they lie on a line. So you just have to simply plot the graphs. Okay. So I'm just going to do one or two problems here. So let me draw the x-axis, y-axis first. Let's say this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. Okay. Yeah. So now here first let me plot the points. The first one says 4 comma 0. So now you see you have got, see if you look at this point 4 comma 0, the first alpha number which has been written 4 lies on the x-axis and 0 lies on the y-axis. Okay, so you have to plot it that way. So here 4 lies on the x-axis, point B, 2 lies on the y-axis. This C is 4 on the x-axis and 6 on the y-axis, and this is 4 on the x-axis and 2.5 on the y-axis. Okay, so now you see I'll just mark the points. Now let me say x-axis is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on. Okay, 7 enough. Okay, now I will write this 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay, you can write 6 and 7 also. So let's say 6 and 7. Okay, so now first point A. So this is option A, this one. Okay, 4 comma 0, you have to mark 4 comma 0. So let us say 4 is on the x-axis, so this one. Okay, and 0 on the y-axis, so which is this one. So they both meet at this point. This is your 4 comma 0. Okay, this is your 4 comma 0. All right, then the next one is 4 comma 2. So 4 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. So you should see 2 on the y-axis is over here, right? And 4 on the x-axis is over here. So this point of intersection is what is your 4 comma 2. Okay, next is 4 comma 6. So you go to 4, which is just like that, and 6 is over here, so here. So this is 4 comma 6. Then comes the next one, 4 comma 2.5. So 4 over here, 2.5 is over here. So 4 comma 2.5. Okay, so this is your A, this is point B, this is point C, and this is point D. So are they lying on a straight line? Yes, of course they lie on a straight line, right? So that is what you should say. Yes. Okay, now let's come to the next one. Okay, so let's say x-axis is over here and y-axis is over here. All right, so again here also you have to mark it like 1 2 3 and all. So let's say 1 2 3 4. So we have to show, okay, that's enough, 4 and 5. Okay, I'm just using 5, and this side also 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so now let us just show the points. So point P says 1 comma 1. So 1 over here, 1 over here, both meet at this. So this is your 1 comma 1. Then the second one says 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2 is over here. See, 2 on this and 2 on this. So 2 comma 2. So this is your P, this is your Q. Then the next point is R, which is 3 comma 3. So 3 comma 3 is over here. So 3 comma 3. Then the next one is 4 comma 4. So 4 comma 4 is over here. 4 comma 4. So this is the line. Okay, so this also lies on a straight line. So you can say yes. So this is how you have to do the third one also. Please try to complete it in your classwork. Okay, so now come to the next question. Draw the line passing through 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so let us just draw the line first. Okay, so first let me draw the x-axis, y-axis. Let's say this is my y-axis. This is my y-axis, and this is my x-axis. Okay, yeah. So now you have draw the lines passing through 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. So you have points. Okay, so let's say this is 1 2 3 4. Okay, this side also 1 2 3 4. Now 2 comma 3 is over here, 3 comma 2 is over here, right? So this is 2 comma 3 and this is 3 comma 2. So now they are asking you draw a line which passes through these 2 points. So let us just join this line. Okay, so here you see, you can just extend it like this, and you can just extend it. You can you can continue doing this like this. Okay, so they are asking you where is it crossing the x-axis and y-axis. So y-axis it's crossing at this point, x-axis it's crossing at this point. Okay, so when you draw it properly you will get it. So this point is, see, this is on the x-axis, so x-axis is 5 over here, and y-axis is no y-axis is involved, so 0. So 5 comma 0. Here no x-axis is there but y coordinate is there, so 0 comma 5. Okay, so these are the 2 points where it's intersecting the axis. Okay, now write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figure. So we just have to write the coordinates. Now look at this. This is 0 comma 0. This will be 2 comma 0. This will be 0 comma 3 because x is 0, y is at 3, and this is 2 in the x and 3 in the y, so 2 comma 3. Okay, now let us look at the next one. So for the p it is 4 comma 3. This is going to be 6 comma 1. This is 6 comma 5, and this particular point is 4 comma 7. Okay, now come to the next one. This is 10 comma 5. This is 10 comma 8, and this particular point is 7 comma 7. Okay, so you just have to draw this in a graph notebook and then write the coordinates. Okay, so state whether true or false, correct that or false. Okay, so a point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero will lie on the y-axis. If you have an x-axis, y-axis. Okay, a point which has got its x coordinate as 0, so x is 0, alright, and y is some number, we don't know what number, let us say keep it as y itself. So that will lie, where will it lie? See, 0 on the x-axis and y on the y-axis. Let's say 1 or 2 or 3 something on the y-axis. So 0 and y, so it will lie somewhere over here, right? Let us say this is your y. It could be any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. So it's actually lying on the y-axis. So that's what they are saying. So it's true. The next one, a point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lie on y-axis. Now you see, let's draw the x-axis, y-axis. Y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5. X coordinate is 5 over here. So y is 0 over here. So both lie on this point. So it lies on the x-axis, not on y-axis. So it's false. Okay. And the coordinates of the origin are 0 and 0. So this point, this is what is called as origin, where the x-axis and y-axis meet. This point is 0 comma 0. 0 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis. So that's true. So complete this exercise also in your graph notebook. So I'll see you with the next video in the next session. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.